Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V3, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you will want to swipe down from the top right side of your screen like so, and here you will have a bunch of toggles. We can swipe down on this again to actually extend the list of toggles and also give us names for them, which you can see there is the Do Not Disturb. You can hold this toggle, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. Also, you have the option to set up a fully automatic schedule in here that allows you to choose days of the week and start and end time. And now once you've gone through the options right here, customize them, you can close this and you don't ever have to come back here again, as long as obviously you don't want to change anything. And now find the toggle once more, which for me is here. Click on it. It pops up with this window, Do Not Disturb. When enabled, calls and notifications will be silenced, alarms will ring as usual. I'm going to click on the checkbox right here to not remind me again, select enable, and there we go. So right now it's enabled, and you can see this with the little moon icon right here in the status bar. Now, once you're done with the Do Not Disturb mode, you can also quickly turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.